Hi guys, today in this video we're gonna see how Fiverr makes money, and not about that, how you can also make money on the Fiverr. So all exploring this as a side hustle for you. So let's start it with this screen here. I am opening the Fiverr screen in front of you. The joining is that it's how Fiverr makes money. So there are the freelance platform that's working a great, and it's getting the traffic from United States, Pakistan, and India and Bangladesh, from all over the world, and 247 countries. Now we are going to see the Fiverr revenue. So according to the Google, the Fiverr revenue in the first quarter is $85 million. That is amazing in the very first quarter. Now I am going to see how it makes money, that Fiverr is working model. So I am going to discuss the first category, that is the logo design or WordPress. So let's say I have to make the website. So I am going to the Fiverr, and there's you see there are a lot of gigs. I'm clicking on the gig and going to order this gig, and at the end of the state the freelancer gets the money. And if you want to become a freelancer on the Fiverr, that's a easy thing. You have to go there and click on become a seller, and there you switch on this platform. You can join it as a freelancer. You offer your services. Here are the top ones freelancers here, and some success stories you can see. So there is a lot of potential. If you want to be a side hustle in 2022, the Fiverr is the best choice to make money without any skills, and I am going to show you the best price to sell. Now, the Fiverr working model is very simple. This platform is working on the search engine basis. Let's say I have to make, here I am searching logo design, and here the results are in front of you. So there are the gigs that I have to order. I will design a VTuber, logo streamer, and something like that. I want to make the logo like said to one YouTube channel. So what is going to be, so I'm going to be order a gig. So let's say we have to try out the 20 and $10, and I have to start with a minimum. So this guy is creating logo in just 24 hours. Now what is happening is I am going there, and there I am continue this and order it. So Fiverr charge me $12 on $2 extra on this, and on the same side Fiverr will deduct some percentage when freelancer earns money. So that's how Fiverr is working, and Fiverr is making money by joining and making this platform as a bridge between freelancer and the clients. So that's how Fiverr works. Now why and how you are going to be here, you are going to be here to make your life hustle free. So you have to create a just gig. You can follow up a lot of videos that are already on YouTube. That's how you can create the gigs and how you can do these amazing tasks on the Fiverr. And because of this, I am going to left this topic at this point. That's the Fiverr is making the revenue according to that model, and there is a lot of corporate trainings and something like that that is becoming a lot of the sense. Now I am also discussing the few top skills on the Fiverr right now. That is, one is NFT. So NFT is an amazing NFT, non-fungible tokens is a community. NFT marketing is required, NFT is required. So that's why I recommend NFT. So you have to be work if you want to make money on Fiverr as NFT maker. Now the second one gig that I am going to recommend you to make money on the Fiverr is logo design. So why logo design? Logo design is very simple. You have to just switch on the category, and you have to send the buyer's request daily. So you got the point. The second and the third thing I have going to be is the video animation. So video animation is altogether an amazing task for you. It's 22,000 services, and you have to be there top rate $75, and it's an amazing task. you get the international clients from there, and this will never end. Video animation is required anywhere, everywhere. Even if I am a YouTuber, even if you are a brand or company, you have to be a video so you can do your marketing. So there's a freelancer on the Fiverr that provide these services. And how this is how Fiverr makes money, and you make also money. Fiverr makes $1 million and you can also. So this is the bridge, and this is the platform that you can use to make a hustle free and side free income. So I am going to be discuss of one other category that is being left, and if I am not covering is that is the websites. You have to be, if you are coder, if you are now WordPress, if you know Elementor, if you know this platform, then this is an amazing choice, my guys. So you have to create the websites. You see, $300 to $50 on the one thing, and that's a huge amazing thing you can do on the Fiverr right now. So this is how you can make money on the Fiverr as a freelancer, and how you can order on the Fiverr as a client, and how this is the Fiverr makes money. So thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so I can make the more videos like that. Thanks for watching.